this is Balaji from GKBC Tech. Today we will unbox the iBall Musi bar. It's a sound bar from iBall. We will unbox and take a review of it today. The weight of the sound bar is 625 grams. Length is 40 centimeters. The MRP on the box is 3000, but I got it for 1300 rupees from Amazon. There is nothing on sides. Let's open it. This is a Bluetooth soundbar. It also have FM, USB, micro SD card, and a built-in mic also, and you can connect through aux also. We'll see what is the contents in the box. In the accessory box, you will get a remote and a micro USB cable. It's a micro USB cable with red color. The quality looks good. The length of the micro USB cable is around 30 centimeters. You can charge it with your normal wall adapter, mobile wall adapter, and you will get a remote with the volume controls and the next songs, and we have mode for sound profiles. You will get batteries also included, but for me the batteries didn't work. I have to replace it with my own batteries, then only the remote got worked. The build quality is good for the price. It's plastic, and you also have a small user manual, which is very small, which you are not going to use anywhere. Okay, let's unbox the soundbar. Yeah, we have a fake mesh finish. It's a plastic finish, but the quality is very good. On top you have volume controls and the call attend button and the sound profile and input mode. On back you have on off switch and the aux input and the micro SD card input, USB input, and a micro USB for charging. The finish is a rubbery plastic finish, which is good. This soundbar is available in 3 colors: black, white and grey. The soundbar have inbuilt battery. The iBall claims for 15 hours, but in my usage I can watch 2 to 3 movies without any issues. Let's connect to the Bluetooth and we'll check the sound quality.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
In my case, the FM is not satisfied. I am not satisfied with the FM quality. Other than that, the sound quality is very good. Vocals are good. Bass is also good for the price. For that price, you can buy it without any issue. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye.